Hello, my name is Genius and welcome to this tutorial on bot framework. Today we are going to create a chatbot using Microsoft Azure step by step with no step skipped. So this is a very simple tutorial and I can't believe this happened because years back when I created a chat application, it took me several days, it took me writing several lines of code. But in this case, we are going to do it in few minutes. It's really unbelievable, I must tell you. I'm not going to start explaining the theories, what is chatbot, what is bot framework. Today we are going to learn, go through the process and actually create it. If you want to learn some concepts, some of the theories, go ahead to read, because you have the explanation here and this article I wrote, kindtongenius.blogspot.com. You can actually read about bot framework. This is bot framework tutorial 2, so you can actually start from 1 to read. Today we are actually going to do the demo. Let's go to what you need for this demo. What you need for this demo, let's go down. What you need for this demo, just two things: Microsoft Live ID and then an Azure a subscription. Both of these things are free and we are going to get them right now. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to get to this link and create a free Microsoft account. So let's get there so that we create a free Microsoft account. So when I click on it, or you can go to accounts.microsoft.com. So just go ahead to click on sign in. I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Below this video there is a subscription button. Click on it to subscribe to my channel so that when I make new videos you will get notified. Remember to like this video if it's been informative for you. Alright, so I don't normally like using an existing account. I normally like creating a new account when I'm making a lesson. So let's go ahead to create an account for this lesson. So click on create one and it opens up this place. So now I'm going to click on get a new email address because I want to use a completely new email address for this account. So I'm going to use let's say KTG lessons. Okay, let's just call it bot framework. Bot framework lessons, right? Bot framework lessons I like to use at Hotmail. So bot framework lessons at hotmail.com. Just go next, create a password. Okay, that's a password I want to use. I don't need promotional email. Just go next. Next. Alright, so just go next. So do you like save, don't save, don't save. So country, blah blah blah. So let me just choose a date. Remember, as I mentioned, this is just for learning purposes, so this might not be the actual date for me. So country codes of this is okay. Let's see. So I'm going to stop this video. You complete it yourself. Let's get to part 2. By part 2 I hope we've set up this email and then we are good to go.